So let's just take this opportunity right here, right now, to connect with that comforting presence, that light, that love, that peace of spirit that shines itself in us as we connect in a time of meditation. And so in this now moment, right here, right where we are, we allow Spirit's light, Spirit's love to flow through us. We turn ourselves away from the outer distractions, the thoughts of what may still be on our to-do list today. We gently tune out that little voice that seeks to fill us with worry, with doubt, with anxiety. And instead, we turn within to the presence of Spirit, to the light of consciousness, that Christ light, the divine light that we are. And so we spend just a few moments consciously becoming aware of that light's love and presence in our heart. Feeling that caring, supportive presence of Spirit. We take this opportunity right here and right now to allow Spirit's light and love to support us, to truly know in this moment, to know beyond knowing that we are whole, we are perfect, we are loved. And we surround ourselves in that divine embrace as we allow ourselves to be nurtured in the silence. And ever so gently, we allow ourselves to be drawn back to this time, to this place, feeling an awareness of Spirit's light and Spirit's love. And we allow a sense of gratitude to flow through us. Gratitude for that light and love in our hearts, and gratitude for the knowledge that we share that light and love with our world. And so it is with our intention to move forward now, sharing that light and love, that we say, thank you, Spirit. And so it is. Amen.